Hello friends, KC channel presenting today's video. I thank all the subscriber and viewers. Thank you. Today I present about how to write the synopsis for our research for our PhD work. Synopsis. When we prepare the synopsis after our research work, after completing the research work, we are going to prepare the synopsis. What is this? What is the importance? What the synopsis is going to do? Very simple. Synopsis is the trailer for the full movie. Every important aspect of the research, every important element of our research, we bring it in the synopsis. Any reader read the synopsis, get an idea what is our research. Then it motivates the reader to go through the full research activity what we did. Every research scholar searching in the internet what is the synopsis format, what kind of content I need to write in the synopsis. For you, for the research scholar, I am presenting, giving a very simple guidelines for writing the synopsis. How many pages? First question. Yes, our synopsis not exceed 10 page. It should be minimum 6, maximum 8 or 10. It depends on the university where we are doing the PhD. For example, I am writing my synopsis 6 page. The first page, the title. Keep in mind, once you given a title in the synopsis, we are not permitted to modify or change. So, very careful in giving the title. The title must be clear title. What is the research? That clearly mentioned in your research title, PhD title. For example, a study on consumer awareness about a product in a particular city. So, in the title, clearly state the researcher did the research only in particular state or only in a particular country. Everything, the title must specify. In the first page, introduction. After the title, now I am writing introduction. What is the research we are doing? The importance, the society relevance of our research. The emerging trend related to the research. That everything we can bring it in the introduction part. Second page, I am moving to the second page. I am writing the statement of the problem. Problem identification. What for the research is going to. The research is going to give a solution for a problem that we need to identify. Objectives. In the second page, I am writing the objectives of the study. The 5 or 6 objectives, the primary objective and the secondary objectives we mention in the second page. Third page, we are entering into the research design. What kind of research design adopted by the researcher? Then mention about data collection tool, questionnaire, interview, observation, what kind of method. Then I am writing the sampling technique. Sampling technique, what kind of techniques adopted in the research, whether it is a probability or non-probability. Then mention the sample size. Then mention the data analysis tools. List out the tool name. If possible, for a single line, write down the application of the particular tool. The last page, I am writing the findings of my research, major findings, major suggestion. I am not copying entire findings and paste. I am only selecting the major finding, which finding and which suggestion is going to represent my research, the major finding that I mentioned. Then my conclusion of the study, then the major references, journals, books, websites that we can represent it in the synopsis. So minimum 6 pages it comes. Thank you, friends. Share this video to your friends. Subscribe my channel. Tune with, connect with in my channel. Get all the updates related to research, related to online tools, etc. Thank you.